Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Pointe-à-la-Frégate is a charming coastal village, located on the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. This peaceful area is nestled along Highway 132, which winds through some of the most stunning landscapes of the Gaspésie region. The village is known for its breathtaking views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. From its rugged cliffs to serene beaches, Pointe-à-la-Frégate offers a perfect escape into nature. The area is surrounded by forests, making it an excellent spot for enjoying quiet walks, birdwatching, and experiencing the raw beauty of Quebec's wilderness. Like many coastal communities in the Gaspé Peninsula, fishing has long been a part of its culture and economy. The nearby lighthouses, such as the iconic Cap de Rosiers Lighthouse, are reminders of the area's nautical heritage.
Thank you very much.
Visitors love the tranquility of this area, making it an ideal spot to pause and reflect, especially with the calming sounds of the waves against the shore. Whether you're here for the views, the history, or simply to breathe in the fresh ocean air, Pointe-à-la-Frégate is a true hidden gem.
Thanks for watching!